Hello friends, welcome back with another video. In this video we are watching difference between solid concrete block and AAC block. Solid concrete block और AAC block. According to raw materials, solid concrete block जो होते हैं mixture of Portland cement, water, sand and gravel. And AAC block mixture of cement, sand, lime, gypsum, aluminium powder, water, fly ash and aeration agent. According to color, solid concrete block are light gray color, these are gray color. Weight, more weight होता है in solid concrete block and they are less in weight according as compared to solid concrete block. Nominal dimension, length maybe 400, 500 or 600 mm. This is depth 100 or 200 mm. Width maybe 50 or 75, 100 or 150, 200, 250, 300 mm. इसकी लेंथ 400, 500, 600 mm हो सकती है. हाइट 200, 250, 300 mm एंड विड्थ इज 100, 150, 200, 250 mm. देखते हैं वेरिएशन इन साइज. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस, solid concrete block varies in length plus minus 5 mm or in height and width plus minus 3 mm and AAC block plus minus 1.5 mm in size. These are more accurate in size as compared to solid concrete block. Now plastering, it can be easily done in solid concrete block and in AAC block sometimes plaster does not stick properly because इनकी स्मूथ सरफेस होती है, इसलिए अच्छे से प्लास्टर चिपक नहीं पाता AAC ब्लॉक में. ड्राई डेंसिटी, these are 1800 to 2500 kg per meter cube in solid concrete block and AAC block 451 to 1000 kg per meter cube. Compressive strength 4 to 5 Newton per mm square. These have good compressive strength. Now thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity in solid concrete block is high as compared to AAC block. It transfer more heat as compared to AAC block and they transfer less heat. These blocks keeps interior walls warm in summer and hot in winter, which it reduces the energy cost of air conditioning also. Now sound insulation, it also depends upon the thickness of wall. What is the thickness, exact thickness of that particular wall we are going to made? These have less sound insulation as compared to solid concrete block. Now labor output. Solid concrete block requires less number of labors as compared to AAC block. More labors required. This is water requirement. In solid concrete block, more water is required for curing and as compared to AAC block. Normally AAC block are cured by steam, not by water, hence less required. Now storage, these require proper storage and in AAC block these required no storage. Green product, it means either it is environment friendly or not. The solid concrete block not a green product and AAC block, these are made from a non-toxic material and we can say it is a green product. Reduce industrial waste and it reduces the industrial waste and it causes no pollution. Now transportation, or we can say transportation cost. Solid concrete block are difficult due to its heavy weight and AAC block, these are light in weight. Earthquake resistance, how it can resist earthquake. resist average earthquake forces. These can resist average earthquake forces. And AAC block, it increases the safety against earthquake. Time required for construction. How much time is required for their construction? They require more time, and AAC block require less time. Uses, these are used for both load bearing as well as non-load bearing walls, or we can say foundation, basement walls, retaining walls, garden walls, fireplaces. And in AAC block, these are mainly used for load bearing as well as non-load bearing walls. Mainly these are made for high-rise buildings, used in high-rise building as well as external walls. Now next point is cost. Less cost, no saving can be made, or we can say these are costly as compared to AAC block. These are less costly. We can save in it steel up to 15% and concrete up to 7%. Okay. And due to such saving in steel and concrete, we get the overall structural cost, or we can say the overall cost of a structure become less, because we are making the structure with AAC block. Like, share, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.